Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the phone, keep it charged and on Wi-Fi so downloads don't fail. Go to Settings and sign into your Xiaomi account. This ensures the device will accept Google services. Once done, enable Install unknown apps or unknown sources for the browser or file manager you'll use. This lets you sideload the installer safely. Don't skip this step because permissions block the process. Once enabled, you're ready to fetch the Google Installer APK and continue with installation. You now download a trusted Google Services Installer APK designed for MIUI. Use the phone's browser, then open the APK from Downloads with your file manager. Grant installation permission when prompted. Start the installer and follow prompts to install Google Play Services, Google Services Framework, and Play Store in sequence. Make sure to accept any permission requests during each component install. If one component fails, reinstall that component before moving on, because the Play Store needs all pieces to work. You finish by opening the Google Play Store and signing in with your Google account. This registers the device. Then, update Google Play Services and Play Store from within the app to get the latest compatibility fixes. If the store crashes or won't open, clear cache and data for Google Play Services and Play Store in Settings apps, then reboot. If that fails, reinstall the specific component that errored earlier and repeat sign-in. One troubleshooting tip: toggling Wi-Fi and restarting often resolves activation hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.